Hi everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and there's Robbie. I found an Alligator motorized car. Does it open that? Try me? Oh, you gotta pull the tab. I don't usually do that. I hope for somebody else to do it, but nobody pulled in it. They must be brand new. Wow. What does this do? It seems like that opens up. How do I get that to open? So the eyes light up. Maybe the mouth don't open, but it looks like it does. Working lights, sound effects, sidewind action. Okay, that's enough. How do I stop it? I don't know how to stop it now. Oh boy, what have I done? And this is I can't see how much it is. $7.99. Wow. And I'm shopping at Burlington in Florida.